Hello, today we're going to look at using your Wii controller for your computer. You can control your computer entirely using your fingers as the mouse and being able to use a virtual keyboard to tap on the keys. Here I have a glove I made up. Basically it's just a woolen glove with a very simple circuit on it. Effectively it's got two infrared LEDs on the index and thumb fingers. As well as that, it's got a switch and a 1.5 volt AA battery. The battery is simply hooked up through the switch. Turn the switch on, the infrared LEDs fire. As you can see, my camera picks up the infrared LEDs like that, which means it doesn't have a very good IR filter on it. But anyway, so we'll just turn them off. Now, I'll just move the camera closer to my computer. And as you can see here, we have my desktop. And I'll just turn... Now I use the WiiMote library to make an application up which allows you to control the mouse. As you can see, we have there, it's moving as I move my hand, and I can rotate it like that. Now the dots are changing colour. When the dots are blue, if you were to click, snap your fingers together, it'll do a left click. If you rotate it more vertical and do a click, as you can see, you get a right click. Okay. Now just let me set up my Wii remote. As you can see, the Wii remote is right there. And we'll see what we can do. The program is made in C# using the C# WiiMote lib library. Very handy library, works very well. And I guess the first thing we'll do is play a game. Very difficult trying to do this holding the camera, but we'll do our best. Okay. So we'll run Fishdom. Now this is a PopCap game. Just have to wait for it to load. Okay, we'll start a game. Okay, just move the WiiMote a bit. And here we go. I don't know if you're familiar with this game, but basically you just have to match 3 or more in a row. As you can see, it works quite well with the game. You can control it fully. So we'll hop out of that. Okay, back to the desktop. Now, one other thing is the virtual keyboard. Bring up a notepad window and drag that down here. As you can see, we can drag things around and give it the focus, and if you rotate 180 degree clockwise, you get a virtual keyboard. Now this basically allows you to type. And we'll just zoom in on that there a bit. And if you do a right click, you can backspace the last character. Very difficult to do this with the camera there. Because the camera gets in the way of the LEDs, but that's alright. As you can see, the shift key locks. Okay, rotate again. And there you have it. Okay, now one other thing I will show you. Okay, and that's it for this demo. I'll upload another demo sometime showing the actual WiiMote hand icons instead, using the WiiMote as a pointer instead of using your fingers. And that's all.